When working with configurations, assembly properties typically change with each configuration. This case uses different part numbers and descriptions for each configuration. To configure assembly properties, activate the tab of the assembly to be configured. Open the configuration flyout and switch to Configured Assembly Properties. Select the properties to be configured from the Add Property pull-down. For this example, description and part number are selected. The properties now appear in the Properties table, along with inputs from the Configurations tab. Create configurations using the available parameters and selected properties. The first configuration created has no window and a solid foam insert. Select those parameters and input the description and part number into the corresponding fields. These two values apply specifically to this configuration. Notice once properties are configured, opening the Properties dialog displays configured properties with a yellow outline. Repeat the previous steps to configure properties on other configurations. Looking at the bill of materials for this assembly, the case part number and description match the configured properties. Switch the case configuration to update the case assembly and the part number and description in the bill of materials.